How to make anyone like you instantly. Everyone wants to be liked and valued by others, but it's not always easy to get people to like you, especially if you're not the type of person who's naturally confident and popular. There are many reasons why people do not like others, but they can be solved quite easily if you know what to do. If you follow the 14 tips that we are going to show you in this video, people will begin to like you and value you even more. According to psychology and relationship experts, you will simply become a more likable person. So make sure to watch this video to the end. Let's begin. Number 1. Displaying positive emotions. Most people like to be around those who are positive, happy, and fun to be with. Even if you're not the most positive person, there are simple ways that you can act in order to display your happiness or positivity. For example, you can greet everyone with a big smile or laugh more often. Or, if you want to be a little funny, try making up your own jokes as you go about doing your everyday activities. You can also share funny stories from your childhood with those who might not know you very well. The people who will hear these stories will have no choice but to feel positive emotions themselves, and then they will begin to see you in a more positive way. Do not speak badly about others, as this will have the opposite effect. Number 2. Make them feel important. One way to make a person feel important is by paying close attention to him or her during conversation and giving thoughtful responses. If you're more focused on your phone than on the other person, they will start to feel ignored and eventually lose interest. However, if you make them feel that they are more important than your phone, then they won't mind too much and will like you even more. According to research, one way to make another person feel important is by exposing him or her to positive emotions. For example, if you're mostly exposed to someone's negative emotions, then that person will start to make you feel less important and you will be more likely to dislike them. However, the opposite is true if they are exposed more frequently to your positive emotions, because it makes them feel important in an indirect way. Number 3. Keep it real. People are usually turned off by others who are two-faced or fake, so you will want to always be yourself around the people that you meet and interact with. There is no better way to be liked than to simply be yourself, even if it's not perfect. If you want to make people like you instantly, then it's imperative that you never put on an act or pretend to be someone else. Everyone will appreciate your honesty and genuineness, even if they don't always agree with what you do. The more real you are, the more likable you'll become. Number 4. Make eye contact and give compliments. If you don't know what to say during a conversation, the best way is to pay attention and ask some questions about what the other person is saying. This will show them that you're interested in what they have to say, and the more interested they feel in you, the more likable you'll become. You can also give compliments when appropriate to make people like you even more. Remember to compliment sincerely, though otherwise it won't be effective at all. People can spot a fake compliment from a mile away, and it will have the opposite effect. And according to studies, people appreciate it more when someone compliments them on something other than their looks. Number 5. Practice active listening skills. As we mentioned earlier, the best way to make people like you is to pay attention during conversations and give thoughtful responses. You can also show that you're paying attention by repeating what they say or asking them questions about it. For example, use words like, "So, what you're saying is, and is that right?" This will not only show them that you care, but it can also help prevent misunderstandings. It may seem like a small technique, but studies have shown that active listening has actually been linked with having more friends and becoming more likable. Number 6. Do something for the person to show that you care. This is one of the most important factors in gaining someone's trust and liking, so it's definitely something to keep in mind when you're trying to make new friends or be more likable around others. It doesn't have to be anything huge. It could be as simple as offering to help them carry something, holding a door open for them, or letting them go in front of you at the line. If they feel appreciated, little things can mean a lot and will have the power to make people instantly like you. So always try to do some kind of favor for someone when it's appropriate, and they will appreciate it and like you even more as a result. Number 7, be the first to congratulate them. One sure way of making people like you more is by congratulating them on something that just happened, like their promotion, new job, or even just a personal victory. It doesn't have to be public. You can do it in private if you want, but this is one of the best ways to instantly make other people feel better about themselves and more likely to like you in return. Just make sure to do it sincerely, otherwise it will backfire. Studies have shown that people are most receptive to compliments when they're feeling down, so it's a great technique for you to keep in mind. Number 8. Give them a warm smile. People naturally take their emotional cues from facial expressions, so just by smiling at someone, you can make them instantly feel better about themselves and become more attracted to you as well. So if you want to make everyone like you instantly, try to put on a nice warm smile when you first see them. A big reason people feel instantly attracted to someone is the simple fact that they're smiling at them. It doesn't matter what kind of person they are or what kind of relationship you already have. Studies show that just smiling at someone can make them feel instantly better and more likely to like you, regardless of any other factors. Number 9. Act interested in others. People love it when you show genuine interest in them, but showing your interest can be a little difficult sometimes, especially if the person who you're trying to get interested in isn't someone that you know very well. The trick is to act like you're naturally interested in what they have to say. You can do this by asking questions about their interests, thoughts, and feelings, by giving thoughtful responses that show that you're interested, or even by giving them some kind of validation, like saying "Oh, I see," or repeating back something they said to show that you were listening. This will let people know that they have your full attention, and it will make them feel good about themselves, as well as more likely to become closer to you. Number 10. Emphasize shared values. Studies have shown that when people feel like they share the same values as you, it will cause them to instantly feel more connected and become closer to you. So try to find out what other people's interests and hobbies are, as well as their goals and dreams, and then emphasize those same kinds of shared values. You can do this by communicating your own values and interests, or even by asking them about their interests and making a comparison with yourself. This will cause people to enjoy being around you more because of the sense of connection that they feel. Number 11. Display confident body language. People are naturally drawn to confident body language, even if they don't consciously notice it. This is because of how powerful body language messages are on the human psyche, so make sure that your body language is sending messages of confidence when you want to suddenly become more attractive. You can do this by keeping your shoulders back and head up, standing up straight, and making sure to look approachable. By just doing these things, you'll become more attractive instantly, which will cause people to feel much more drawn to you than they did before. It's much easier than trying to figure out how to suddenly become confident in your actions or personality. Number 12. Be a little vulnerable. Everyone loves to feel like they can relate to someone else, so try to take the opportunity. When you want to make everyone like you instantly, show vulnerabilities. Make sure that your vulnerability is sincere, though. Otherwise, it will backfire on you. You can do this by speaking about things that are negative, but not too negative or embarrassing. Try to find out what kinds of things the person that you're trying to charm is interested in, and then talk about those same things in a meaningful way without making it seem like they're flirting with you. For example, if the person said something about wanting to travel more, but not having enough time or money, you could then support that and say something like, "Oh, I know what you mean," and then follow up with your own story about how you've always wanted to travel too. Number 13. Admit you don't know everything. People love a person who is willing to admit that they're not perfect. Because of this, if you want to create a better relationship with someone, try admitting that you don't have the answers to every question all the time. This will let them know that although you're going through your life trying to learn as much as possible about everything, you don't have all the answers. It will make them feel more connected to you, and it will also increase your charm level immediately because of how honest you're being about your strengths and weaknesses. Number 14. Show them they can trust you. It's extremely important in any relationship to make sure that people feel like they can trust you. So when trying to become more likable, try to make sure that the person feels like they have nothing to worry about with you by showing them that they can trust you. You can do this by being honest with them about your experiences, letting them know that you aren't just going to leave them hanging, or by being reliable with your promises. Just ensure that they have this sense of trust in you, and then you can instantly become more attractive to them. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.